Hello, Weekend Crafter. Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. I'm Ange, and since it's almost St. Patrick's Day, I wanted to share a few shamrock-inspired polymer clay earring ideas. To make these, you will need some shades of green, a clover-shaped cutter, a detail needle, a microcircular cutter, and a tissue blade. As usual, please remember to clean your workspace before you begin with any clay project. I spritzed my glass mat with some alcohol and wiped it down. Now let's make our first pair. Flatten out the lightest shade of green into the number 3 setting. Punch out a clover shape and then slice it in half. Roll out the next color in the same number 3 setting and punch 2 more clover shapes, leaving 3 parts of the clover and cutting off the excess. Finally, get the darkest color and roll it out into the number 3 setting. Punch out 2 more clover shapes and leave it as it is. Now, let's get the detail needle and go through each petal. Finally, use the microcircular cutter to make holes on each shamrock. The top and the middle ones should have 2 holes each. Bring the pieces to the oven to bake. Make sure that you follow the correct baking time. To finish the earrings, I used an electric nail file. I also bring out my earring findings and pliers. I sand around each part. Then I get the jump rings. I open them sideways so as not to deform the circle and attach each piece to the other. Finally, I finish it off by attaching the ball posts. And there we have it, an easy pair to make and very much on theme for St. Patrick's Day. I also made a second pair. This time, the shamrock is paired with a rainbow. You can check out my rainbow tutorial in the link above. I pushed an eye pin on top of the rainbow and brought this to the oven to bake. Once the pair is baked, I took the eye pin out and sanded it before placing some super glue on it and then inserting the pin back on the rainbow. I also sanded the shamrock. Once it was sanded, I attached this to the bottom of the rainbow. Finally, I attached the ball post on the top. You can mix and match different hues of green to create different styles for this. And there you have it, a very simple and short tutorial for St. Patrick's Day. I hope you have a crafty weekend. Bye!